We bought back a little, yeah. And we tie it now to intrinsic business value, which we should have done all along, but for a while, book value was a good proxy for, it didn't fully describe intrinsic value, but it tracked it. And it was a reasonable proxy. And it's gotten to have less and less importance as we move to operating businesses from investments. So what really counts is what are the businesses worth, along with the securities we own. And if it's at a discount to that figure, Charlie and I will buy, and we bought some.
How often do you and Charlie talk about it?
Well, we don't have to talk very often because if it's so close, we have to talk every time it moves 1%. It isn't worth buying. I mean, so there should be a margin of error in our calculation. So we never talk day to day or week to week on it. But I know that what's in his mind, I know what's in my mind. We're totally in sync, and we need a big enough discount so we're buying it at what we know is a price where the continuing shareholders are going to be better off because we bought it. We're running business for the people who are going to stay, not the ones who are going to leave.
About a week and a half ago, or just about a week ago, I spoke with Brian Cornell. He's the CEO at Target, and he said that in his career, he's never seen a better environment for the consumer, that things seem to be firing on all cylinders. I just wonder what you see when it comes to the economy, what you see when it comes to the consumer.
Well, the economy, really since the fall of 2009, has progressively gotten better. But it started from a very low base. It started from panic. And we've now had very soon, we've had 9 full years of improvement in business. I mean, quarter by quarter. Now, sometimes it looks like 1% or 1.25%. Sometimes it's 2.5%. Now it looks even better than that. But business is good. Across the board, business is good. It was good 2 years ago, but it keeps getting better. But the American public household wealth is over $100 trillion. And 250 years ago, this island where nothing was worth, there wasn't anything here. I mean, $24 for Peter Minuet.
But the economy's firing on all cylinders. One issue that people have worried about is what's happening with trade and tariffs. Have you seen any impact on Berkshire's businesses or higher costs associated with any tariffs that have gone into place? Yeah,
there are a few, definitely. And we buy steel, for example. I mean, at MyTech, or we buy it at a lot of places. And we are seeing some effects from that, and we're seeing some effects from inflation.
I'm sorry, from inflation.
We've seen more in the way of cost increases in the last year, if you go across all of our businesses, but particularly building materials or we sell paint. I mean, the can it comes in, that is a lot more expensive than it was a year ago.
How much of the inflation is directly tied to the tariffs, and how much is just from an improving economy and inflation you would expect to creep in?
I can't tell you exactly yet, and some of them are kicking. Well, newsprint, it pops up in different places. I haven't really done that, but I was seeing it in raw materials well before the tariff situation came up. But the tariff situation will aggravate it significantly.